Okay, hey y'all, welcome to my channel, That Pretty Nail Tech. This is Kayla, y'all fave nail tech, yeah, period. So I'm just show y'all how I'm doing these cow print nails, colorful cow print nails. So first we're just prepping, and this is gonna be my first voiceover, so bear with me. But yes, so we prepped the nails, shaped the tips, all that good stuff. And now we are applying our acrylic. We're doing a white base. Okay, I don't typically have like a 3-ball or 2-ball method type thing. I do, however many beads is necessary. But I will pretty much try to do like 3 main beads, and then whatever else needs to be put on, then I will do that as well, as you guys will be seeing in a couple minutes. And then when you guys are laying the acrylic, make sure you tilt it to like the side and see, so you can see it from the side view. Make sure it's level and things like that, child, because I be seeing the pictures, y'all nails be looking cool from on top, but from the side they be a little thin, okay? So make sure you checking them from the side. Make sure they're not too thin. Try not to make them too thick either, but if they is too thick, just file it down. Okay, we are about to get to my favorite part of the nail process, I guess you could call it. So first I file like straight, as y'all could see, and then I flip the hand over and file that way, and you file like vertically to make sure, you know, you get the shape nice and crisp. And then obviously you file the top to make sure the tip of the nail is straight. Okay, you see these crisp coke whites? Yeah, period. Time to get into the nail art, the cow print. Okay, so basically to do cow print, you do like big squiggles all over the nails, and then you do like little dots, and then of whatever color you want to do. It's a multicolor of green and blue, so I'm just doing different shades of green and blue and the little squiggles and dots. I think you're going to see me use a couple different brushes because the brush I usually use for cow print I couldn't find, but the one I'm using right now is like a short and thin liner brush. It was from the Young Nails pack of liner gels. It's kind of pencil-like, so it's not that hard to use, but I don't prefer it for the cow print just because of how thin it is. Okay, here's the finished product. Hope you like it, and like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.